Hey, but guys, izinto untombazi khulumayo on national TV phambi kwabantu in front of the people. Ebo, Ntombi said phela ukuthi umalume told her that there's some things Gogo does and she does them because of ancestral spirits, meaning ukuthi ziyamcontrola. So Untombi basically Untombi is accusing Ugogo of something that I'm just like, Ntombi, do you hear what she's saying? Like, are you hearing what she's saying? She's basically saying ukuthi ugogo uhamba nezinye izinto. And she's saying umalume uyomtshelile lokho ukuthi ugogo uhamba nezinye izinto and lezi zinto ahamba nazo ziyamcontrola. And she's basically saying that Ukoko has been infiltrated by an evil ancestral spirit. But the way Untombi, remember Untombi is the very same one that said Uguti, Ukoko kahle akalwi naye. Like this thing between her and Koko is a spiritual fight. Now Untombi further goes on to say Uguti Koko uhamba nezinto. Phela umuntu mayesithi guys umuntu uhamba nezinto kusho ukuthi hey kusho ukuthi khona into ayenzayo nje like ungenwa yi-something emenza ukuthi they must act like that. Kusho ukuthi gogo now and again an evil spirit comes in her. That's what Ntombi says, that an evil spirit takes over ugogo and makes gogo do the stuff that she does. So she's saying that Malume told her that. So I don't know if Malume, the context of that, if Malume was trying to say ukuthi ungamnaku gogo, ungamnaku gogo, maybe like uvukwa izinto zakhe, because Ntombi says when ugogo is her, like she's fine. But once these ancestral things zimvuka, she's not okay. Ulwa naye. So yeah. Asazi guys, but the way things have been looking, you guys, Tina as the public, we don't doubt ukuthi hayi bo maybe ugogo uhamba nezinye izinto. Phela abanye abantu bavika ngedlozi kanti akusilona idlozi, it's other things abahamba nazo. Hey, esingafuni usichaza ke lana. But hey, I don't be she's brave, shame to say that on TV. I don't know if Ukoko even gets to watch these episodes, but basically Untombi is accusing her Koko in-law that her Koko in-law is using is playing with dark magic kahle. And you know what? As the public, we're not even mad at Untombi for saying that because it doesn't seem far-fetched. In Zella, like ugogo natukhohlekele ngayo, the way ugogo does certain things, sometimes you're just like, "Ay man, is this a real person like that's acting so cruel towards their own grandson?" Like some of the things Gogo does, guys, the way they're so questionable, it really will make you think ukuthi hayibo. Perhaps, perhaps umuntu after mu-12 ebusuku ukuthi hey akavuke enze izinto zakhe asazi guys. Ala ningitsheleni, please tell me about what's your thoughts about what Untombi said. Please do make sure that you like this video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.